In any family, there should be love and compassion and loyalty. Yet in just about every family, there can also be estate fights. The problem with long-hidden family conflicts is that when they surface, it often seems too late for reconciliation. Secrets and untold stories tend to come up on deathbeds and ride in on the aftershocks of grief and loss. From false promises to theft, the real question is not, can this happen to you, but rather, has someone taken advantage of your vulnerable parent or relative? Now, we all want to believe the best, but with trust lawsuits in California, sometimes we learn the hard way that life isn't always that simple. Conflicts over trust in the states can appear from nowhere. Family members might never even realize that they were deceived until everything they had expected as a lawful inheritance was taken from them. As estate litigation attorneys, we've seen previously unknown relatives and friends come out of the woodwork to claim a deceased parent's house or cash, securities, or other assets. At times, bad actors even attempt to hide will or trust documents. Wealth within reach creates a temptation for those willing to manipulate and lie and cheat or steal. Such episodes of wrongdoing form the untold stories of estate and trust disputes within families. Elder financial abuse is a pivotal factor in many estate cases. Imagine someone with a debilitating issue such as drugs or alcohol taking control of an estate. We've represented many clients whose addicted siblings isolated sick or ailing parents from all communication with the outside world. These bad faith siblings hijack financial accounts and persuade a frail and elderly relative to change his or her will or trust in their favor. It's called undue influence, and threatens to call the police if the other children object to this injustice. Situations such as these become a regular occurrence when greed drives a wrongdoer's behavior. In other instances, the story of elder financial abuse comes not from the family, but from a stranger entrusted with the care of a family member. The position of caregivers can sometimes give false reassurances of security. An elderly mother, for example, may have a safe full of assets or heirlooms to pass on, but when she passes away and the time comes for an estate accounting, her caretaker could skip town along with the family's rightful money and property. So these are the untold stories that lie behind the closed doors and drawn curtains of family estate disputes. Plenty of families cannot imagine the theft of an heirloom or that their grandmother's savings would be willed over to an estranged cousin. But when it happens to you, you'll need a professional who can navigate the complexities of estate, probate, and trust litigation, and a state litigator who will work to safeguard your future. If you believe that fraud or estate theft has been committed against your family, make sure you contact an experienced attorney who will work to protect your interest and those of your loved ones. At Hackard Law, we represent clients in superior courts throughout California, including Sacramento, Los Angeles, San Jose, Alameda, and San Diego. Call us today at 916-313-3030 to see how we can help you. Thank you.